Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add voice effects on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now record a video. Say something or sing a song. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. On the right hand side you'll see an option of the voice effects. Tap on that. Here you will see many options. Here you will see robot effect, shake effect, electronic effect, echo effect, elf effect, and many more. I'll just select chipmunk. Now tap next on bottom right corner. And that's how you add effect to your voice on the TikTok video. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.